Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to make burgers out of air fryer frozen veggie burgers. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. If you love veggie burgers, then you'll love them cooked from frozen in the air fryer. We've tried a few different ones now and we've found that they're perfectly cooked, and then they're perfect for then just loading up into your favourite burger buns and serving with your normal burger garnish. The ones that we're using today are these vegetable burgers, but you can use any that you want. And then I just also recommend that you have some salad garnish on hand. So we've got lettuce, sliced cheese, mayo, tomato and a bread bun. And of course you can do 4 at once if you want, depending on how many people you're feeding. So first things first, you want to be opening up your veggie burgers. Oh, and they're a wonderful size to be cooking in the air fryer. And if you look at those, they just look fantastic. And then you fit 4 of them in your normal standard air fryer, or you can do less of them depending on how many people you're feeding. Then put it in. Turn it on. You're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And you're looking for a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. Beeped. So now let's check on our veggie burgers. Wow, they look absolutely fantastic. And they're not that thick, you see, so they only need 8 minutes from frozen. So now I'm going to pass you over to my lovely husband, the Chef Dom, and he's going to make a lovely burger and show you how you can make it even nicer using your frozen veggie burgers. Right, over to Dominic. So slicing up the bread, mayonnaise of course. Then a bit of lettuce in there. And wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Wow, I'm loving that. And that's got the lettuce, the tomato, loads of mayonnaise, tomatoes, and the veggie burger all together and perfectly cooked and prepped. I mean, who says that being a vegetarian means horrible food, hey? And I can't wait to tuck into that. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.